How's everybody doing out there today? Well, today I was going to show you that I'm upgrading my iMac 20-inch iMac from 1 gig to 4 gigs. Gonna pump it up, get a little bit of extra speed, a little bit extra oomph. Let's get into that. Show you how to do that. Be right back. Alright, everybody, you see, I got everything machine flipped over. Got my towel down. Got my 2 gigs here. Here's one right there. The other one right there from Crucial.com. Just got them in this morning. Set them in and gonna go ahead and boost that on up for you guys. You guys can check it out. And I seen on YouTube that a lot of guys been upgrading from 1 gig or to 2, 3, 4 gigs. How many gigs they're gonna pop up in their memory. Saying it's been really hard, so I hope this goes okay. Hope my tabs and everything pop off okay, and I can get this in here pretty easy. I might be one of the lucky ones, or I might be one of the ones that have a lot of trouble. Let's check it out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pop the door up and be right back. Alright, YouTube, here I am right here. Gonna get ready to pop the door open. Let's try it with this little screwdriver right here. Hope you guys can see that. Let me try it. Try this right here. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. YouTube got it going right here. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright guys, let's take a look, see how everything looks in here. There's a 1 gig right there. Empty slot right there. So you just pop the tabs out right there. See how that works. It's supposed to, if you remember in there, it's supposed to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. This is the hard part. Let's cross our fingers, guys. Let's cross our fingers. Let's cross our fingers. Easy. Look at that. That's butter. 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 Look at that. I've seen people struggle with that. There's the 1 gig right there. You guys see that? Check it out. I've seen guys on YouTube just struggle. I mean, almost pulling the screen, and it's been just hard. So I was really worried about that, but as you see, it turned out pretty good for me. This RAM here is made basically by the same company that Crucial. Not basically, but it is. Let's check out the back here, you guys. Pull it out and let you guys check it out. Look at that. Now here's 2 gig right here. Same company. This is Apple. 1 gig from Apple is ridiculous, man. The price is ridiculous. If you want to get the 2 gig kit from Apple, it's ridiculous. Thank you, Crucial. Alright, YouTube, let's try to flip this bad boy in here and see if we can get lucky this way. Alright. Hope you guys can see that. Slide it in here like that. That's what you do. Then you just give it a nudge in the center. It's supposed to hear a click. I feel a click, don't hear a click. That goes along with the way everybody else has been doing their memory upgrade. Just roll that tab back in there like that. There we go. And on to the other bay. There. There's an anti-static bag. Crucial sends you. Send it in a little box. Have your rim sticking in there like that. One side, one side. Get your other instructions in there also. Don't need those. Been doing this for quite a while here. Laptop and desktop memory upgrades. So pretty familiar with how this thing goes. Just not familiar with the iMac. But it's basically the same as laptop RAM, so just a little different setup. Alright, YouTube, let's see how this goes right here.